look, I see international students. They're everywhere and they're all so friendly, bringing with them different experiences, different stories.
I myself come from the south of Italy and I found that Limburgian people are very welcoming.
Yeah, I signed up basically for an experience day. When I walked from the train station to the faculty, I was already like, okay, this looks really good here. I'm kind of already sold on this.
Maastricht is a very friendly and very calm and quiet city.
That's what I love about Maastricht. I think it's a quirk that you cannot find just easily elsewhere.
But this year the king is coming here, so I suppose that it's going to be even more interesting to see the actual royal family coming in the streets where I'm living, basically.
So actually going and celebrating King's Day was one of the things that are now on my bucket list, so I'm very looking forward to tick that off because I think it's just something very unique.
Unfortunately, I have to work that day, but I think for others it will be fun.
I already know in the top of my head the route where the king will be going around, so Castle Sky, I'll be there.